I saw that stat. It was for as big of an honor as that is. It was kind of kept quiet. I think I saw it on like a little blurb last game against the Cosmos that I think he moved into like a tie for it. When you think about how long this tournament's been going, I think is that in the modern era?
Yeah,
it's in the modern era, so
96,
from 95
Okay.
to now.
So still a long time. That's a ton of goals. It's a great honor for him to have because there's obviously been a ton of players that have played in big games. It just shows that he's been on good teams that advance and go make little runs in the competition. So he's scoring goals right now. Was that his best goal? Highlight reel goal for him? Probably not. But he'll take it. It shows up on the stat sheet as a goal. That's a real honor for him to have. The chemistry.